David Land collects broken watches,
I make them all better again.
but he can't fix himself.
I didn't know I'd have to be fighting from what was underground. You cry sometimes, pray a lot, and then sometimes you get upset.
The retired Army veteran grew up and lived on Fort McClelland. He then worked on the base from 1979 to 1999. He was later diagnosed with stiff man syndrome. The rare neurological disorder has left his body tight and in pain.
And there's another couple pieces that are in the house. I'm okay.
Pictures remind him of when he says life was better before cancer claimed his mother's life and made his father, brother, and wife sick. His other siblings also have neurological disorders. Every one of them lived on McClelland, which Land says they blame for their illnesses. More than 5,000 McClelland veterans have banded together on Facebook. Many are talking about similar illnesses. Vets we spoke to say doctors haven't linked the illness to McClelland, but...
Do you believe these things are related to what you were exposed to at McClelland?
Yeah, I do. I do.
In 1952, biological weapons training began at Fort McClelland. According to a 2001 U.S. Army Corps of Engineers report, mustard gas was used starting in 1954. The nerve agents, a blood agent containing cyanide, and biological stimulants were added in 1969. McClelland closed in 1999 and drums of radioactive waste were found buried, even leaking. A risk assessment in that same report deemed McClelland, quote, catastrophic, given the explosives and chemical agents on site and the proximity to educational, residential, hospital, and shopping centers. Some of the contaminated land was turned over to Anniston's Lagarde Park. Land wants a health registry created to keep a database of sick McClelland vets and ensure they get any requested medical help from the VA.
Congress needs to pass legislation. DOD needs to take responsibility for allowing all that to have been buried out there.
A 1996 U.S. Army Center for Health Promotion and Preventative Medicine report found, quote, potential radiological